name's Alyssa Campbell. I'm in grade 9 and I go to the Halifax Grammar School. At the start of the year, we were researching ideas, and then we came up with the idea of hypoxia zones. A hypoxia zone is an area in the ocean where there's just a little bit of oxygen, which is bad for the fish and the marine species that live there. For me, one of the most challenging parts of the journey was researching in depth about this, because there isn't a lot of common knowledge about hypoxia zones on the internet. There's the basic stuff, but then you get in depth and it gets harder to find information. We basically had a lot of guest speakers come in, and we went to companies to visit, like Cove and Deep Sense, and we learned a lot about hypoxia zones and how we could predict when they were happening. My absolute favorite part of the project was learning all about the ocean, because I love biology, especially marine biology. Stuff that isn't just common knowledge and stuff that you wouldn't just learn in school or anything. I just fell in love with marine biology, so I hope to continue researching it later in life.